Our Vasectomy Procedure Pack is a complete, ready-to-use surgical solution specifically designed to support vasectomy procedures. This pack features popular and trusted surgical instruments, including vasectomy ring forceps to securely isolate and hold the vas deferens, a pair of vasectomy sharp point forceps for precise grasping and handling of tissue, mosquito artery forceps, which are ideal for clamping and controlling small vessels. Additionally, the pack comes with disposable tray equipment including an aperture drape, gauze balls, swabs and dressing towels, an instrument tray with gallipot recess, and a trolley wrap, which are all pre-arranged for immediate clinical use. Each set is individually sterile packed and supplied in packs of 12. All instruments are manufactured from high-quality, medical-grade surgical stainless steel, ensuring strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. This all-in-one vasectomy pack is ideal for clinicians seeking value for money, efficiency, safety, reliability, and readiness in vasectomy procedures. Contact our customer service team for further information and to learn about other procedure packs available in our range.